Hello my dear students. Once again welcome back to the online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I am going to explain the chapter number 7 which is given in your Tune Into Grammar book. So for that first of all you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open chapter number 7. Dear student, in grammar we have already completed the chapter number 6. So now today we are going to start the chapter number 7, and in this chapter we are going to learn about what the uses of an, a or an. Okay. So dear student, before starting the chapter I am going to ask some question to you. So first of all tell me, do you know that how many letters in an alphabet? Yes. We all know that there are 26 letters in alphabets. Okay student, so in our previous classes we have learned that in alphabets there are two parts. First parts are called vowels and seconds are consonant, and in vowels there are 5 vowels in alphabets that we already learned in our previous classes. So student, we all know that there are five vowels in alphabets, and those are A, E, I, O, U. Okay student, 5 vowels are in consonant and those are A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining letters are consonants. Okay, so there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So according to that knowledge, we are going to solve this exercise of this given chapter. In this chapter, we will able to understand that how could we use a or an with any word. Okay student, so there is a first, do you remember the vowels? Here is the question, do you remember the vowels? Name them. Okay, so we all know that there are 5 vowels in alphabets and they are A, E, I, O, U. And student, can you think of 5 naming words that begin with vowels? So you have to note down the 5 naming words that begin with vowels. Okay, so now come to the main topic that is given here. So it is known, read these sentences. So dear student, first of all you have to read these given sentences. These are, I have a pencil and an eraser. Second, Gopi ate a banana and an apple. We saw a lion and an elephant. Sally had a cake and an ice cream at the party. So in this example, in this given example, we used A before pencil, banana, lion and cake, and before eraser, apple, elephant and ice cream. Do you know why? What the reason that why have used A with the pencil, banana, lion and cake, and why we using and before eraser, apple, elephant and ice cream? So student, the reason is that we use A or and before naming words that are 1 in number. Okay, we use A or and before naming words that are 1 in number, and we use and before naming words that begin with the sound of special letters A, E, I, O and U. We use A for words that begin with the any other sound of, for example, we can say an orange, a banana, an orange, a banana. Okay. Dear student, it is very important for you that you have to learn that when the words begin with a vowels letter, so before that we have to use a and. Okay, and when the words begin with the consonant, so we have to use before that word a. Okay, is that clear to everyone? That how could we use a or an? So we have to use and with the vowels and a with the consonant word. Okay students, so let's do the exercises of given on page number 41. So here is the first exercise that is given. Take the correct option. Okay student, take the correct option. So here we have to use the a or and with the word. So we have to choose the correct option according to the word. Okay. So in number 1 there is a or and oyster. So student, what will be used? A or and? So we all know when the words begin with the vowels, we can see here that here is the first letter is O and it's an example of vowel sound. So we have to use here and, okay, because it begin with a vowel. So here we have to use and. Okay, now the next stage. Now the next is number 2. In number 2 there is a or and watch. So what will be used with watch? So the first letter begin with the W and W is a consonant. Okay. So here we have to use A. Now the next is third. In number 3 there is a igloo. So what will be used? A or and? So we all know that we have to use and. Okay. We have to use here and. So we have to take the given option and. Now the next stage, girl. Number 4 is girl. So what will be used with girl? A or and? So we have to use A. Okay. Now number 5, owl. What will be used with owl? Owl, A or and? So we have to use and with owl. Okay. Now in number 6. In number 6, fan. So what will be used? A or and? So we have to use here A. Okay. Now in number 7, ox. So what will be used? A or and? So we have to use and. Okay student. In number 8, umbrella. So what will be used with umbrella? A or and? So we have to use and. So like this you have to complete this first exercise of this chapter. Now we moving to the next. So let's do the practice. Okay student. So here in exercise A, encircle the naming words before which and can be used. Student, here we have to encircle the given naming words before which and can be used. Okay. So first is onion. So tell me what will be used with onion? A or and? So we have to use with onion, that is and. So we have to encircle it. Okay. Now the next is tub. So T is a consonant, so we can't use and with tub. So here we can't do anything. Okay. Next is drum. So no. After that, bicycle. So it's also not example of vowels. So we can't circle it. Now the next stage, banana. No. Again next stage, eraser. So yes, it is example of vowels. So we can use and with this given word. So we have to circle it. Now the next stage, elephant. So yes, we have to use and with elephant. So we have to circle it. Now the cat. No, we can't. Now the next stage, apricot. So yes, we have to circle it. So like this we have to circle the given naming words before which and can be used. Okay students. So like this you have to complete this exercise. Now the next is clown. Next is clown. So no, we can't use and with this word. Next is octopus. So yes, we can use and before this naming word. And aeroplane. So yes, so we have to circle it. So like this we have to complete the exercise A. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So what will we do in this exercise B? So here fill in the blanks with A or and. Again we have to use A or and with the words. So there is an X. So we have to use and with X. So we have to write here and. In second, bat. So we have to use A with bat. Third is ostrich. So we have to write here on the given blanks and. In number 4, car. So we have to use here A. In number 5, doll. So we have to use here A. In number 6, there is house. So we have to use A. In number 7, giraffe. So yes, we have to use with giraffe A. And in number 8, there is ant. So we have to use here and. So like this we have to complete the next exercise, that is exercise B. So after completing this exercise, now we moving to the next. So now there is again some sentences for you. So you have to read these sentences. So we saw in previous exercise, we saw an interesting match. Radha is a good girl. We saw an interesting match. Radha is a good girl. Okay student. Read this given sentences. First sentence is we saw an interesting match. Second is Radha is a good girl. Third is I ate a boiled egg. And next is Abdul is reading an English book. So we use and before most describing words that begin with the special letters. Okay, we use and before most describing word that begin with a special letter. For naming words that show more than one number, we don't use a or an. For example, there are 3 books on the table. The boys are playing a match. So here we are going to use a or an again. But student, you must be remember that for naming words that show more than one number, for naming words that show more than one number, we don't use a or an. We can only use a or an with a one person, place, animal or things. Okay. So according to this knowledge, we have learned that we should only use a or an with the number that are in only one. Okay, we should use a or an with the only one person, place or things. We can't use with the more than one person, animals, place or things. So here we have to do the next given exercise, that is write a or an before the naming words, put a cross where a or an is not required. Okay, whenever the things are more than one, so we can't use a or an. So let's do the given exercise. So there is a orange. There is a orange. So what will be used before the orange? We have to use here an. In number second, boxes. So student, the boxes are more than one. So we can't use a or an. We have put here a cross. In second, clock. So here we have to use a clock. In number 4, iron. So we have to use here an. In number 5, nose. So a nose. In number 6, mango. So we have to use here a mango. Okay. In number 7, 6 cups. So it is more than one. So we have to put a cross here. Toys. So again we have to put a cross. Now the number 9, ink pot. So we have to use here an. In number 10, aunt. So an aunt. Okay students, like this we have to complete this exercise. Now moving to the next exercise. So what will we do in this next exercise? So student, that's it for today. I will explain the next remaining exercise, that is exercise A and B, in my next video. Okay student. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.